But how can we wire our mindset in such a way that, okay, we're not thinking about the sort of the worst case scenario for everyone. We're really thinking about sort of this win-win outcome for all the parties involved.
Yeah. Right. Well, of course, there are going to be a lot of skills and techniques regarding confrontation management, which I don't want to spend the time to talk about here because those things you could kind of easily read on internet. And I think it's also not the key. I would say like confrontation management, if I could conclude to one word, it really comes down to empathy. If we have empathy for the other party, technically there shouldn't be any kind of confrontation. So what do we mean by empathy? So the way I define it is, if I had the exact background and experience as that person, I might be doing the same thing as them. So that's kind of my definition. So there are some assumptions. Is if I had the exact same background, I had the same experience, I might do something similar.